Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys what you can do if your template button right here isn't showing. So I have the template button just right here, but if it's not there, you're just going to go to Google and then you're just going to search CapCut templates like so. And then you are just going to go to this sort of website. And then you're just then going to open CapCut and then you'll be able to find the link. I will link this website down below so that you can open it up in your phone and hopefully you'll have access to the template. On previous videos, I did show you how you can use the template, but on this one, I'm just going to show you how you can find it because I know a lot of people have been having trouble finding CapCut templates because it's not there on their app. So hopefully once you've reached this link, it'll show up. But yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful though for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!